Welcome to the Reach It Workshop, our new water-fed window cleaning video series from the tap to the glass and everything in between. These topics are all going to be available in video on YouTube, on our podcast channel, and as a PDF for your operating procedures and training manuals. Our video series titles are as follows. From the tap, this is everything about water science. If you have a static system in your shop or shed, we have some tips for you. We also cover truck-mounted tanks for those of you who like to carry water to your work sites. We explain everything about booster and delivery pumps, and we give you all the data about tubes, hoses, and reels. For the spot-free water, we cover RO and DI filters. And my motivation for this is based on my passion for operator efficiency and safety, covering water-fed technique, and of course, we'll cover what you need to know about water-fed poles and goosenecks, and the tool that actually cleans the glass and delivers incredible efficiency, water-fed brushes. Finally, we get to the glass, cleaning windows, frames, as well as discerning spots, debris, streaks, and how to remove them. As a bonus, we're also going to have some training tips on professional customer sales and relationships. So now to the detail. In this video series, we'll talk about everything to do with water science that you need to know to be a proficient window cleaner using water-fed window cleaning. If you understand the science of water, you'll easily be able to understand what is going right and wrong with your system from one worksite to another. To understand hoses, tubes, pumps, and filters, I'll cover the technical and scientific knowledge about the effect of pressure, resistance, and gravity on your fluid dynamic system, and the effect of temperature on water for the ultimate goal of maximum flow rate at the brush. To understand how and why we filter water, I'll share technical knowledge about minerals in water and what makes water spot-free, as well as the information about using TDS meters effectively. So you can understand the rinse phase of window cleaning better, I'll teach you about laminar flow and how to choose the best jet streams from your rinse bars. If you have a static system in your shop or shed so that you can carry water to your work site, there are some tricks of the trade. You can use it at your shop for filtration, water storage, and rapid transfer to the truck-mounted tanks. So if you have truck-mounted filtration and tanks, there are some options with pumps and reels that I'll share to improve your fluid dynamics, tank and pump choice on your truck-mounted system. Regarding booster and delivery pumps, the sizing of pumps for the optimal flow rates makes a big difference to your system. For example, using a 5-gallon a minute pump for a half-gallon per minute brush means 4.5 gallons a minute are going nowhere except creating back pressure, meaning the pump will get hotter and therefore less efficient, and using more amps from your batteries as it keeps trying to pump this 5 gallons a minute. Ultimately, the pump will start cycling based on the pressure settings. This video series is a lot of physics, however, we keep it simple and deal with it step by step so you can understand it clearly. Critical for maximizing flow rates is the technical knowledge of tubes, hoses, and reels, and we cover this at length. For example, one of the more important aspects of fluid dynamics for water-fed window cleaners is to understand how the back pressure caused by wall friction is affected by different sized hose and tube. When you know that you can get double the flow rate for the same pressure by simply upgrading your tube, the upgrade will make complete sense. This and lots more. On the expansive topic of RO and DI filters, we cover it so that you can really understand your tools. Importantly, the only reason to use an RO or DI filter is simply to leave spot-free water. No matter which system you choose, the result is always the same. Spot-free is spot-free. In this series, we'll discuss how each system works, how to choose the right system for you and your location, when you would upgrade, and how to maintain the filters. Let's talk briefly about operator efficiency and safety. Well, there's only a few window cleaners that last in our industry more than 5 years. Whether it is because they can earn more money somewhere else, or they can get repetitive motion injuries, or just experience aches and pains, we don't know why they leave. We just know they do. So this video series addresses all the issues of water-fed efficiency to earn more, and aspects of water-fed safety to hurt less. Critical to all this is the water-fed technique. It is the root of both efficiency and safety. Efficiency is the foundation of cleaning windows faster, and cleaning windows faster means a higher hourly rate, a more profitable business, and the chance to pay your operators more. It all comes down to technique. Let's face it, if you use an efficient tool with an inefficient technique, you will not clean windows faster. This series of videos is critical to training your operator staff. This could not be complete as a video series without covering water-fed poles and goosenecks. Our industry calls our tools water-fed poles because for 50 years the brush and the pole were integral. We would rarely change the brush. However, the pole cannot clean glass. It's the brush that cleans the glass, and the pole that puts the brush on the glass. So in this video series, we talk about rigid versus flexible poles, pole lengths, pole composition and design, as well as the angles of the poles on each work site, using extensions and using goosenecks so you can clean difficult to reach windows with ease. And then the tool that actually cleans the glass, water-fed brushes. The holy grail of efficiency is choosing whichever brush that cleans different windows fastest. Anything can clean glass, like it's not rocket science, but not all can clean glass fast. If you really want to increase your hourly rate, you need to understand every aspect of the window cleaning brush. It all comes down to the two principles of agitation and rinse, and we'll cover all of this in this series of videos. Then finally, we get to the glass. What's happening on the windows and the frames? Well, the target of the water-fed brush is to clean glass. The function is to return the glass to its original invisibility or transparency. Therefore, our task is the removal of different debris from the glass. What is the fastest way to clean this window versus another window? What removes pollution, bee poo, artillery fungus, stickers and sticker residue, and ultimately even removing paint overspray with a water-fed brush? Often the window frames also need to be cleaned for a happy customer, so we teach you the best ergonomic and efficient techniques for that. This video series is where we'll talk about different types of glass, sizes and treatments, and which brush can clean fastest. You are our customer. However, without your customer, we don't have anything. So we pass on valuable aspects of customer sales and relations. You know that selling water-fed window cleaning over traditional tools is really easy if you have a good script, a small demonstration, and a guarantee. This series of videos covers various interactions with your customers, sourced from our interactions with real window cleaners globally. If you like what you're hearing, and you can feel now how it can help you in your business for knowledge and training, then you might want to be notified as we release each video. So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Future of Cleaning, or go to futureofcleaning.com and subscribe to our newsletter. There's no doubt that as you progress with us on this journey, you and your team will become experts in how to clean windows faster, and everyone will be earning a higher hourly rate. Hey, comment below and we'll answer. And from your feedback, we can make it into Reach It workshop topics like this one. So to sign off, we look forward to seeing you in the next Reach It workshop.